YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Random Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh episode because here we're talking about how to make money online, how to do investments, how to mine USDT or Bitcoin, and at times we talk about dollar arbitrage. Yeah. So today I want to show you how you can withdraw your money after mining your USDT. How you can withdraw your money, because some people are saying that they can't withdraw, blah 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 blah. I know it's the wrong time, but let me show you how you can withdraw it. Yeah. And one thing about this app, if you withdraw and then the withdrawal didn't go through, yeah, they will refund the money back to you. So let me show you one thing. I just withdraw a money at a wrong time. Yeah, because they have time, they like you can withdraw your money and they say withdraw rejected, and returned. You said that thing. Yeah. So this is how you withdraw your money. First of all, after mining, you will see all your coins in the contract wallet here. So you will click on this arrows. So if you click on that arrows, then you transfer the money from your contract wallet to your coin purse, the money you want to withdraw, but you can't withdraw more than the money you invested. So let's assume I invested $10. I can't withdraw more than $10. Yeah. So today earnings, I got $3.5. So if I want to withdraw, I'll go to withdraw. And first of all, you add your receiver account, that's your TRC20, and after all, you set a password for your account. Yeah, so I've already done all that. So I'll click on this one and I'll get the password. I'll get the TRC20 and I will enter the amount I want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw 3.5. Then I'll go to submit and I will enter my PIN. But my PIN, I will not let you see my PIN. So everything not allowed at the current time. So it means that this time is not the right time for you to withdraw. So that's why I always say that they have right time to withdraw money. It's from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. But when it's from Monday going the weekdays, that one is from 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. But when it's weekends, it's from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. At times it can be 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. 9 p.m. or 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. You see that thing? Yeah. So it depends. Yeah, it depends. Yeah, it depends. So this how you withdraw your money. First of all, you add your TRC20 to 8. Second, you set the balance you want to withdraw, then you submit, and that's all. That's all. And let me tell you one thing. If you're using a laptop, MacBook, or a Chromebook, you can't enter the password. The password is only it's only worked on phone. So some people will be using like their laptops and they'll be calling you and telling that when they enter their password, it's not working. Yeah, it will not work. You have to use a phone. And let me also tell you this thing. After registering with my code and getting the 20 USDT to mine your USDT, that money, if you don't withdraw that money within the day, within 3 days, that money will vanish. Because that money, you earn that money with a bonus. So it's like a startup. So you have to withdraw the money as soon as possible. But when you invest, let's say 10 USDT or 20 USDT, and you want to what? You want to like let the money be in the account, that one is no problem. Yeah. So today I'm here to correct all the things people have been asking me. So some people too always ask me that, so bro, I've deposited the 10 USDT, how can I upgrade to the VIP? So you go to quantify, you close it, So obviously that, like, I'm in V1. Yeah. So if I want to go to V2, this V2, V3, you see. So you just what, like scroll it, like this, like scroll it. You see. Yeah. So if you first of all, like, register, this where you'll be. This where you'll be. So when you invest the 10 USDT, automatically you can purchase this one, this 10 USDT. You see, this 10. So level 2, that's one is from what, $100 going. You see. Yeah. So if you invest $10, you just scroll to here and click on it, and it will purchase for you automatically. It will purchase for you. That's how it is. So I hope like I've been doing well recently, and I've tried my best today to answer all the questions. So let me show you how you can also deposit. Today I'm here to solve all the problem. So if you want to deposit, you just go to personal and you go to recharge. This is the recharge. This one. This is the recharge. You click on it and you enter the amount you want to recharge, and make sure that the amount you entered here is the same amount you'll be issuing when you get to your digital wallet. So let's assume you are using XNex and you want to transfer money from XNex to here. Make sure that you are transferring 10 USDT. If you transfer 11 USDT, it will not work. Make sure that, so if I enter 100 USDT, if I go to my XNex, if I issue 110, it will not come unless 100 USDT. That is why I always recommend XNex for you, because XNex, the money you'll be issuing, that's the money you'll be getting in your account. No commission, nothing. Because when you're using, let's say, other platform, when you try to send money, they will deduct you TRC20 address. Yeah, they will be asking you TRC20 address and so on and so on. Like, that's what they'll be asking you. But Access is not like that. Yeah. So if you want to withdraw your money, that's what I'm telling you right now. I said you have to try it in the morning or in the afternoon. That's the best time for you to withdraw your money. Times like this from 11 to 12 a.m. Nah, it's not working. At times, it may delay at times, so they'll say that this is not the right time for you to do your withdrawal. So you have to wait for, let's say, in the morning or in the afternoon. That's the best time for you to withdraw your money. So I think, yeah, I'm done. And if you deposit your first 10 USDT, you go straight to the service and chat their customer service on, on Telegram, and you send your Gmail to that person, and the person will give to you free 4 USDT as a welcome bonus. Free 4 USDT as a welcome bonus. It's another thing. Yeah. So that's how it is. And I think it's cool for me to teach you this. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm out.